Good evening to everyone present here, and I trust everyone is staying safe and healthy. I'd like to start by thanking you all for taking the time to attend the M-Talent Showcase amidst these tough situations. This sense of appreciation is really motivating and it means a lot to me. Um, I'm really excited to share my journey with U of M and Talent Gateway here. And before that, I would like to extend a special thanks to Talent Gateway for making this event happen virtually because this was one of my forever looking event, and I'm really happy that you guys made it to this. And as introduced earlier, I am Suchitra, a graduate student in College of Engineering and Computer Science, majoring in data science. I am from I hope my presentation is moving. Okay. Yep, sorry. And I am from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, city in southern India. I had completed my bachelor's in computer science back in India, and I was working as a software developer in Robert Bosch for almost 2 years. And now I'm aspiring to become a data scientist after my graduation in April. I could say that I had a very satisfied, comfortable, and happy life back in India. I spent a quarter of my life in the place, hoping that someday I'll have the chance to fly out and explore the world around me. Being the only child, the only company I had was my books. I loved roaming the streets of Vatican City and Rome, finding clues with Robert Langdon. And if you couldn't relate, those were the storylines of Dan Brown books. And I loved reading Harry Potter series. So my interest was naturally inclined towards indoor games like chess and board games. And I was so focused on studies that I had very little participation in any extracurricular activities, be it stage competitions or sports or anything like that. But I always dreamed to be a leader one day. Even now, my long-term goal is to be in a respectable executive leader position of a reputed firm someday. But you could hear the irony, right? Yeah, me too. Um, I thought I had started taking the first step in achieving my dreams by getting a job in a reputed firm, but there was always this voice in me that told me I was only succeeding in my comfort zone, and I feared I would fail if I step out of it because I was constantly or consciously avoiding facing situations or experiences that required or expected me to explore my soft skill areas. And I was too afraid in order to step out of my comfort zone that I feared my dreams of being a leader someday were moving far away until I conquered those fears. But being as young and naive as I was, I shadowed those voices, and life was sailing smooth. And until about 2 years ago is when I first landed in USA. I believed, unlike most people, I started loving USA at the first sight. I never had complaints of missing my parents or my friends, or my food even. I was completely ready for a new beginning, and I always knew that I never fear changes because I always had this part of me that loved being adventurous. So I spent my initial few days traveling around USA. I checking my items in the bucket list like parasailing, attending ball drops in NY, going to Put Bay, and so on. But being in the land of opportunities, I did not fail to look at my dreams or achieve it. And so I wanted to do masters in order to step into the field of data science, and hence I joined U of M Dearborn in their data science graduate program. The first few days were very thrilling and exciting, but I started finding myself battling to pass the next few days. During the first 2 semesters, being away from campus, I found it very difficult in order to find friends, in order to discuss about projects or campus activities or courses and stuff like that. This is when all my fears of stepping out of comfort zone and failing started to creep me out. And though I did well in my courses, I couldn't find a sense of belonging to the university, or I was very bad in starting small talks or initiating small talks with strangers, and I was not involved in any social activities at all. So I started hiding in my rabbit hole again eventually and did step out only to attend courses, classes, and so on. But this fear started getting involving in my job searches because I felt that in India the job search was pretty easy. I just needed to get good marks and be have a good resume in order to get placed in a reputed company. But the job searches in USA demanded soft skills and gaining experiences out of my comfort zone. I knew this is where I lagged, but I never believed I was an introvert. Yet I was finding it hesitant in order to share my opinions or thoughts with the recruiters, and I did not feel confident in my abilities anymore. I knew this was the time that I had to step out and make some changes in order to move ahead because it was getting late, and I had started doing talent gateway challenges initially, but stopped due to my hesitant fears in the initial few months. But when I wanted to come back, I knew this is where I had to start. As my favorite quote goes on, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. I knew I was late to the game and I was not sure what I was going towards, but I took baby steps. Talent Gateway helped me to self evaluate and self reflect on my abilities initially and improved my confidence in myself. I started gaining confidence in my abilities and who I was after starting doing some challenges. And I slowly started coming out of my comfort zone, started participating in organizational activities, attended workshops, and I started hanging out in campus more often. And this was the medium I used to connect to the campus on a personal level. I improved my behavioral skills through various career competencies, challenges that I even got an internship position last summer with Cummins Inc. The e-learning block challenges and the best career strategies were most of my favorite because they helped me to develop these skills and clearly lay a action plan on what I was working towards. These challenges not only helped me or gave me a sense of direction and motivation to land my first intern in USA, but they also helped me during my internship, be it while starting conversations with strangers, while networking, or doing my final presentations. I felt at ease because of the confidence that I had developed during these challenges. Never did I imagine that I will be in this moment getting an M Talent designation, but here I am. Extremely happy that this happened to be the destination that my path and efforts led to. Um, and all this credit goes to Talent Gateway and the persons who developed those challenges. Obviously, I would like to conclude by saying that by quoting words that helps me motivated when I feel down. It's if there is, it's never too late to become the person you're capable of being. So if I would take any learnings out of my experiences in U of M, it is that big goals are achieved through small steps and keeping up the energy through the journey. There is nothing that's hard to get if you put your hearts out onto it. So I like to conclude by extending a thanks to my family, friends, husband, U of M, and Talent Gateway for guiding me through tough times. And I would like to thank you all for having the patience and the time to listen to me. I hope you all stay safe. Thank you.